Hi everyone, I'm Raymart Puhen and welcome to my vlog. A day in the life exploring the self. Today, I want to share with you what an ordinary day looks like for me. But more importantly, how my daily routines reflect my habits, values, and the person I'm becoming. I'll bring you with me from the moment I wake up, to my workout, to my study time, chores, and the little pockets of my personal time I carve out for myself. This may seem simple, but each part of my day tells a story about discipline and self-growth. So let's start and enjoy the day together. Go!
My morning routine sets the tone for my whole day. The first thing I do is make my bed. It might seem small, but doing this helps me feel organized and ready. It's like telling myself, okay, you're starting your day with discipline. Then I head to clean myself up, wash my face, brush my teeth, and just breathe for a moment. I like slow mornings because they help me stay calm and collected before things get busy. This simple action reminds me that taking care of myself starts with respecting my space and my body. Next, I transition into my workout. I usually do simple home exercises or stretching just to wake up my body. Working out is important to me because it teaches consistency. Even if I don't like it sometimes, pushing myself reminds me that discipline isn't about motivation. It's about showing up. This part of my day makes me feel stronger, healthier, and more energized. It also clears my mind and helps me handle stress better. Doing even a short workout makes me feel proud because it's a step forward being a better version of myself. After exercising, I move on to studying or working on my school task. This is usually the most mentally demanding part of my day. When I study, I remind myself that this is part of building my future. I try to stay focused and manage my time well. But I also take breaks to avoid burnout. Studying isn't just about finishing requirements. It teaches me patience, discipline, and responsibility. Whenever I understand a lesson or finish a task, it gives me a sense of achievement. Moments like this show me how committed I am to growing not just academically but personally. Later in the day, I help with household chores, whether it's washing the dishes, sweeping the floor, or organizing something. Chores keep me grounded. They teach me responsibility and remind me that being part of a family means contributing, even in small ways. Helping out also makes me appreciate the effort of my family puts into maintaining our home. Whenever I do chores, I feel like I'm balancing my life, studying, working on myself, and being responsible at home. It's a simple routine, but it reflects my values on respect and cooperation. After finishing my task, I give myself some personal time. This part of my day is special because it's when I get to express who I really am. Whether I'm doing my hobby, relaxing, or just spending time alone. This moment helps me recharge. Personal time helps me balance productivity and rest. It reminds me that taking care of my mental and emotional well-being is just as important as completing tasks. Doing the things I love shows me what truly makes me happy and helps me discover more about my interests and personality. As my day ends, I like to slow down and reflect. Sometimes I think about what I accomplished, what I struggled with, or what I want to improve tomorrow. Ending my day with intention helps me stay grounded and aware of myself. It's also a reminder that every day is an opportunity to grow, even through small actions. Thank you so much for joining me today. This vlog made me realize how my daily habits, whether it's working out, studying, doing chores, or relaxing, shape me who I am. My day might be simple, but it reflects the values I want to strengthen: discipline, responsibility, self-care, and balance. I hope you enjoy this day in my life. See you in the next one.